జల్లికట్టుపై తమిళనాడులో ఆందోళనలు ఆగటం లేదు. కేంద్ర ప్రభుత్వం జంతు సంరక్షణ సంఘాల తీరుకు నిరసనగా ఆందోళనకు దిగారు. వేలాదిగా మెరీనా బీచ్ కు చేరుకుంటున్నారు. మెరీనా బీచ్ లో నిన్న 7గురితో ప్రారంభమైన నిరసన ఇవాళ పూర్తిగా మెరీనా బీచ్ ని నింపేసింది. ఇసుకేస్తే రాలనంత జనం బీచ్ రోడ్ కి చేరుకున్నారు. జల్లికట్టుపై కేంద్రం తీరుకు నిరసనగా భారీ ప్రదర్శన నిర్వహిస్తున్నారు. ఎద్దులను తీసుకొచ్చి అక్కడే జల్లికట్టు నిర్వహించేందుకు ప్లాన్ చేస్తున్నారు. తమ సాంప్రదాయ క్రీడను అడ్డుకోవడం సరికాదంటున్నారు తమిళులు. రైతులు ఎంతో ఉత్సాహంతో చేసుకునే పండగను అడ్డుకుంటే ఊరుకునేది లేదని చెప్తున్నారు. పంటలు లేక రైతులు చనిపోతే పట్టించుకోని ప్రభుత్వం, జంతు సంరక్షణ సంఘాలు ఇప్పుడు జల్లికట్టును అడ్డుకోవటం ఏంటని ప్రశ్నిస్తున్నారు. కేంద్ర ప్రభుత్వం ఇప్పటికైనా దిగిరాకుంటే ఎంతవరకైనా పోరాడతామని హెచ్చరిస్తున్నారు.
It's not started with 5,000. It started with 7 members initially by morning 6 o'clock, 6 a.m. And then it's when end of the day it was 7,000 yesterday. And we want the central government has to be entered into the Tamil Nadu. That Tamil Nadu people has been cornered for everything whatever we are asking for. And now it becomes our demand too. Now Jallikattu, it's one of our reason, and also our farmers has been cornered wherever, and there are many farmers has been suicides across the Tamil Nadu. None of the politician has been taken any points and any actions. It has to be mentioned here through your press. Please take it to the politician as they has to come, and we need some solution for it. And also Jallikattu has to be happen across the Tamil Nadu. It's our tradition, it's our culture. Please don't try to ban it. And the main reason you are supporting some of the foreign culture, some foreign country has been bought the beta here. You're supporting some foreign country. Why not the Indian people who is voted you and who brought you to such a big place? And we need, we supported you. Why not you are supporting us? Why you are supporting to beta? Who is beta? He is trying to kill our cows, and you want to bring you want to be the Jassy cows is here? You want to give a business to some other foreign country? Who are you? We are here. We are Indians. Some fisherman is dying here. He's called a Tamilian. Tamil Nadu fisherman is died. When a Tamilian goes to the Kashmir and he was dying for an India, and an Indian is who we are here. When a Tamilian dies from Kashmir, he's an Indian. When we are dying in the sea, we are a Tamilians. We are Tamilians. Yes, we are a Tamilians. We die for everything. We need our things. We need our own rights. It has to be taken action. It's now. Yesterday we entered yesterday evening it was 7,000 people here. Now it's almost 30k people around here. They need to take an action. It will be increased up to 70,000 also. Until they comes, it will never come to an end. This is our